Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm going to be doing the EUPHORIA makeup. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it or not, but I've only seen two people do it, and that is Abby Roberts and Nikki Tutorials, and I really like the one that Abby done where there were diamonds all across the eye, so I'm going to try something like that and just kind of play around with it and see what happens. So without further ado, let's get into the video. Okay, so first I'm going to start off with my eyebrows, and I'm using the Makeup Obsession Revolution Brow Pomade in the colour dark brown, and I'm going to do that off camera because it takes me too long to do my eyebrows, so I will be right back. Okay, so I've done my eyebrows. The concealer I used is the Rimmel Instant Finish Concealer in the colour Porcelain. Okay, so I'm going to go in with this palette. This is the Revolution HD Pro palette. And I'm going to go in with this kind of like grey ashy colour here. Kind of just to draw the outline of where it's meant to be. Okay, so I've kind of got the outline of where, like, what I'm working with. I'm gonna go in with that dark blue shade, and I'm gonna work from the outer corners in. Outer corners. And fill that in and just kind of not blend it all the way in, but just to about. Someone on the bike is like really annoying us right now. So I'm going to go back in with the concealer, and then I actually don't know what brush this is. I'll just kind of got it on eBay in a pack. So I'm just gonna carve the shape out. So now I'm just gonna go back in with that blue, and I'm just gonna correct, because I think this one looks thinner than this one, so I'm just gonna correct that. And it doesn't matter if your edges look a bit like rough because we'll be sticking diamonds over the top of them anyway, so. And I'm gonna go in with that blue shade, this one here. Pack that, not near the inner corner, so just about there. And you want to try and blend these two colours together. Go back in with that dark colour and kind of just blend them a bit more and making it a bit more darker. Okay, so now I've got them two blended. My god, there's so much noise this morning. I'm gonna go in with the white, and then I'm just gonna pop that in the inner corner. And then you want to just kind of blend the light blue and the white together. There's a little bit of blue in the corners as well, and it's not just white. I'm gonna knock them off their bikes in a minute. I'm gonna go in with the lightest blue that I've got, but I'm gonna use the tiniest bit of it. Okay, so now I'm going to go around the entire thing, but not where we carved before, just from like here inwards. want to use my eyeliner pencil and do that in my waterline. Apply some mascara, and while this is drying, I'm going to put the diamonds on. Oh my god, I forgot to tell you what I was using. My eyeliner was M.A.C. The mascara that I used was the Maybelline Lash Sensational. These are just diamonds I got from Primark. Place the eyelash glue just where the line is. Plonks, that's in the wrong way. Same blue, and I'm going to go under the lash line. I'm going to do my other eye off camera because that took quite a while, so I'll be right. So I'm back. I've done my eyes and I'm really digging them. I really like them. Kiko baked eyeshadow in this silver, and I'm just going to put this just in the inner corners. Okay, so foundation, I'm going to be using the number 7 Beautifully Matte foundation. And for powder, I'm just going to be using the Rimmel Stay Matte powder. For contour, I'm just going to be using the Kat Von D Shade and Light palette. I'm just going to be using the Too Faced Love Light. And it's the shade Blinded by the Light. Now for eyelashes, I've got these ones I got from Home Bargains, if anyone's familiar with that. They look like this, and I think they're like £2. Just Romantic Bird, that's all it says. But mine's kind of broken, like the lipstick's just broken off. I think I actually want to apply some gloss because why not? So that is this video. I hope you like the outcome of it. I do. I think it's exactly how I pictured me doing it, and I really like it. So if you liked, make sure to give it a like and a subscribe down below, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye everyone.